up, guys? Welcome back to another Midwest Invest video. Sorry the headline already spoiled it, but yes, we did just make $60,000 on this house. My name is Joe. This is Kyle behind the camera.
What's up?
We are Midwest Invest, and hopefully you guys have seen more of our videos. If not, you should check those out. But we're going to be coming out with more videos about our house flips. We're kind of slacked a little bit on the videos just because it's a lot of stuff to do, but we want to give you a little quick tour through the house and show you kind of everything we did and how we made $60,000 in a remodel that took us about 4 to 5 weeks or so. So as you come in here, we pretty much did everything. The only thing we left is this original trim. We wanted to give it kind of a nice old feel because this is a 1920s farmhouse. So we left the original trim in there. Besides that, we had to replace a lot of the other trim. And then we did vinyl plank flooring throughout. Obviously painted the whole inside, painted the ceilings, new light fixtures. Pretty much everything else throughout the house was replaced. The windows actually were good. They were vinyl windows. They were already here, so didn't touch those. We ended up having to do the AC unit, which is outside. We'll show you that. But I mean, we just got a bedroom here, 2 more bedrooms here. So 3 bedrooms total, just 1 bathroom. Nothing too fancy, but it was only about an 850 square foot house. So the kitchen and the bathroom were the main selling points, obviously, of this house because we just went in full new kitchen, full new bathroom, pretty much. All new cabinets, new appliances, even got a fridge. So it's pretty much completely move-in ready. And we actually just accepted an offer on this house today. And the buyers are using a USDA loan, which they're pretty much having to put no money down. So pretty much this house is perfect for them because they can move in, already has all the appliances ready to go, and they can pay top dollar for this area. So here's the bathroom. Nothing special in here, just new vanity, new toilet, new mirror. Left the actual tub insert, and we were able to clean that up. Did a little mini backsplash on that, new light fixtures in here. So nothing too special, but I mean, it's all redone. It's all new. Nothing's going to really be going bad on it.
Yeah, should be solid.
Yeah, I mean, overall, it's a pretty solid house. I mean, like we said, nothing too fancy.
Nothing crazy. Water heaters in here. Put a new one of those in.
Yep, threw a new one of those in there. If we go out back here, I can show you.
Used to be a deck here.
Yeah, there was a really crappy deck that was falling apart, hooked up back here, so we ripped that off and just decided to go with like a gravel patio. Put a little fire pit out here for them and some concrete stairs just to get in. So a little less maintenance overall. And
did river rock all the way around the house.
Oh yeah.
Didn't have to replace any of the windows. They're actually in good shape.
Yeah, all the windows and siding were good. We repainted the whole outside. Obviously, it looks real good. Yep. We went with this river rock. This is Buffalo River Rock. We went all the way around the entire house with it pretty much. So I like the look of it. It gives it more, first of all, it gives it better drainage, and we gave it a better slope away from the house. So that would be better for the drainage overall for the foundation and crawl space and everything.
One thing you might notice is we actually didn't do gutters on the house. In this market, believe it or not, a lot of the houses still don't have gutters to this day. So it's just not needed.
Yeah.
So we got away with that. That saved us a couple $1,000s.
Yeah, that saved us a little bit of money. I mean, it was kind of the money and the time we wanted to get on the market, and we also didn't really necessarily need it since the house right next door doesn't have it, and half the houses in this town don't have gutters.
Yeah, plus we did all this rock to help with drainage too.
Yeah, this river rock everywhere is good. This is the AC unit. We just got that replaced.
Yeah.
So that's a new unit there. So I mean, overall, we purchased this house for $60,000. We put about $38,000 in repairs.
Yep.
And after everything, all our other costs and involved, I think we were in it for just over $100,000, around like 103 or 104, right?
Yeah, 103, I think.
Yeah. So we're about 103,000, and we just got accepted this offer today for 163,000. But that's with us paying $2,000 of their closing costs and $500 home warranty. So pretty much a net offer of $160,500, which still makes us pretty much right around 50, was it 58, 59,000?
58, 59. I guess we rounded up, so you got us with the clickbait.
Yeah, sorry about the 60,000. It wasn't
pretty close.
It wasn't quite 60,000, but this house for a $163,000 house, for us to make $100,000, I mean, for us to make $60,000 off of that is pretty awesome profit margin. So we're not mad about that.
No.
We were been happy for anything over about 45. So the fact that we could do that was pretty awesome.
Oh, yeah. Plus, someone's getting a really nice house with no money down.
We also have this garage out here, which was a nice selling point. It's a 1-car garage, but it's really got large. It's like a 1-car garage plus shop area, so pretty large. We got a new paint job on it. It's looking real sharp.
Yeah.
I mean, overall, it's a move-in ready house that's pretty much maintenance free. You got the real good vinyl plank flooring. So I mean,
roof's in great shape.
I
mean, it doesn't need anything for many years to come.
For 163 grand, these people are getting a good house, a good first house for them.
Yeah.
And so it should last them quite a while. So that's pretty much the wrap up for this video, guys. We just want to kind of give you a complete overview of the house. Pretty much what we paid for it. Like we said, we paid 60. We put 37 grand plus some other money for selling costs and this, that, the other. All in it for a little like 103. Sold it for 163, and we haven't sold it yet, but we have it under contract. So we'll probably just let you guys know if anything crazy happens, in another video if something does. But if not, then it should close, and we should make about just under 60,000. So overall, it's a good deal. We got another one started now, so we'll have a video coming out soon of our next project. But until next time, you got anything to add, Kyle?
No, remember to leave a like on the video. Leave a comment if you want to know anything in particular. I'll be answering all the questions in the comments.
Yeah, if you have any questions about real estate and related questions at all, yeah, we'll definitely answer them for you guys. I've been a realtor and investor for about 7 years. Kyle's been an investor for about, 3 years or so.
Yeah.
So we've been doing it for quite a while and quite a bit recently. So got a bunch of deals under contract and coming in the pipeline. So stay tuned for all of those guys. And like I said, answer any questions, comment, subscribe to the channel mostly. That's what we care about. So
yeah, we want to keep pumping videos out. We want you to see them. So
yeah, it's hard for us to want to make all these videos. So if you guys subscribe and comment, it will make us want to make videos for you guys even more, and it'll help you guys hopefully in your real estate investing career. So
it's videos like these that got us into this.
Yeah, absolutely. We pretty much learned most of what I've learned in real estate off of YouTube, so that's why we kind of want to make these videos to kind of give back to the real estate community and the YouTube community. So
100%.
For sure, guys, appreciate your support. Peace out.
Peace.